this amazing device, which costs only $29.99, can turn your wired Apple CarPlay and Android Auto into a wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Let's go ahead and check it out. Right, so let's go straight into the unboxing of this device. Here it is here. Very simple, wireless CarPlay. We've got the CarPlay logo, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth symbols. Support for connecting wireless CarPlay, what dimension and weight of the actual device itself. Not much all around, and just a picture of the device here as well. So let's go ahead and let's slide this open. Here we have the actual device, and we've got a nice cool little picture of a sports car. Take this out. Here we have the USB-C port, and what seems to be some LED indicators, and 4 screws underneath. Very simple, not much to it, and it's very lightweight. Move these out of the way, and we have a USB Type-C to a USB Type-C port. So if your vehicle Apple CarPlay wired is a USB Type-C output, you can use this cable, or if your vehicle has a USB Type-A output, you can use this cable here. And this simply plugs into the device and this into your vehicle. We've got suitable car type, wireless CarPlay for iPhone 16 and above and iOS 10 and above, and wireless Android Auto. Pretty cool. And then we got the instruction manual over here. So it's a very simple, very basic setup. You literally just plug it into your car. You get LED indicators for green light, which means it's on. Green light flashing quickly means it's connecting. Green light flashing slowly means it's connected. It does use Wi-Fi 2.4, 5.8 and Wi-Fi 6. And it has Bluetooth 5.0. And it uses about 1.5 watts of power, which is enough from the actual USB port from your car. Right, I was getting quite messy in the background, so I'll just get a little quick tidy up. So it's very simple. You literally just connect the device into the car, power it on. You then go onto a Bluetooth. So plug in the device from USB, go on Bluetooth, and you'll literally see FBINSE. Go ahead and connect to that on Bluetooth. And then you'll get a prompt on iPhones to use CarPlay. You go ahead and accept that. And on Android, it's a similar way as well. And then you literally just connect to the vehicle. It will connect to the vehicle's own Wi-Fi network, and then that's it. Your car will just have Android Auto or Apple CarPlay working. Simple as that, really. So let's go ahead and actually use the device and see how it works and how it functions. But the build quality of it and the looks of it is quite nice, and it's very lightweight, which is good. So yeah, let's go on from there. So we are in the car here. We are in a DS3 Crossback. We do have Android Auto and Apple CarPlay on the system on here. So we're just going to plug it in. So it is a wired system, but of course we're going to use this kit over here to make it wireless. So we'll go ahead and plug it in. It can be a bit fiddly with one hand. Let's see if we can get it done. There we go. All in, and we've got our blue light, which means it's powered on. And we can literally just tuck this away nicely. It's really small, light and compact, which is what's really good about it. And you can just tuck it in. We'll go ahead and power the car on now. Cool, that is the car powered on. So first things first, basically what you got to do is, I've already gone and done it. We'll turn this music off. I don't want to get no copyright claims. Right, so here it is. This is what comes up on Bluetooth. You want to go ahead and connect to that on the Bluetooth device. Once that's connected, it's then a pulsating green light. Oh, sorry guys, mind my cold flu sort of thing I'm going through right now. So when you're on that, you'll notice your Wi-Fi is then connected to the device as well. And then if you go on to the Apple CarPlay on this car, now this car can be quite slow, but you see over here, please connect to the Bluetooth. So we'll go ahead and go on the Bluetooth, just double check that it's connected. It did disconnect, so we'll just connect it again. There we go, simple as that. We now have Apple CarPlay, and it's completely wireless. See, my phone is here, and I can lock it, and I've got access to everything I need on here. So I can go on my music, Spotify, my maps, Google Maps, WhatsApp, everything all from here, all wirelessly. Don't need to have my phone constantly plugged in. I can have it in my pocket when I come in and out of the car. It should connect nice and easily and nice and instantly. So there you go, really. I mean, if you're interested in purchasing it, I do have a coupon code, so I'll put the links to buy down below in the description, and you can use the coupon code TNN and you'll get some money off yours as well. But for $29.99, I think, you know, for $30, you know, under $30, this is amazing. I mean, even under £30, this is a really, really good price compared to a lot of the wireless CarPlay devices out there. They're quite expensive, and this does exactly what you need it to do anyway. And for the price, you can't complain. Sorry guys, mind my cough. The only thing I would think would be quite cool is if they could provide like another USB port maybe, but then again it doesn't work because it would draw too much power. That's probably why they can't provide another USB port, but you can always use a splitter from here onwards, I guess. But yeah, it's really cool, it's really lightweight, it's really easy to tuck away. You can easily just literally put it away in the corner. You've still got space to chuck your phone here, and you can just take your phone quickly now. You don't even need to worry about it being all wired up, and everything works smoothly. You can play music straight off it as well. So if I go on last played, you know, all my music is here. I've got The Weeknd playing. There you go. I'll quickly put on a little bit of it. See, to avoid copyright, but the sound works perfect, everything works perfect. You can literally go on maps, navigate yourself anywhere you need to navigate yourself. Everything works super smooth, super good. Yeah, it's pretty cool. So if you're interested in purchasing this, link to buy will be down in the description. I'm going to give it an overall score of 10 out of 10. The price is good, it's compact, it's small, it's lightweight, and on top of that, it works. You know, there's nothing wrong with it. It absolutely works on both Android and Apple, and yeah, does what it's supposed to do out of the box. So if you're interested in purchasing it, link to buy will be down in the description, and make sure you use the coupon code TNN. I'll put that in the description as well. And as always, thanks for watching.